Hi, my name's Carolyn, and I'm a wellness practitioner in Berwick, Melbourne. And today I want to share something with you that is really close to my heart, and that's kinesiology. If you've ever felt stuck, stressed, or out of balance, this gentle yet powerful modality might be exactly what you need. So, kinesiology is an holistic therapy that uses gentle muscle testing techniques to tap into the body's innate wisdom. It helps identify imbalances, whether physical, emotional, or energetic, and it supports your body's natural ability to heal. It's like having a conversation with your subconscious, revealing what's really going on beneath the surface. And then your body dictates what it is that it needs to actually find that balance back. So people come to kinesiology for all sorts of reasons: stress, anxiety, fatigue, sleeping issues, physical pain, or even just feeling stuck in life. And through tailored techniques that are unique to every single session, things like acupressure, emotional clearing, and energetic balancing, kinesiology helps to restore balance to your whole system, your mind, your body, and your spirit. So, in a session with me, we create a safe, nurturing space where you can relax and reconnect. I'll guide you through a gentle process using muscle testing to uncover what your body needs the most. And every session is unique because every person is unique. And I have to say that most people, when they walk out the door, the biggest feedback I get is that they feel lighter. So if you're curious about kinesiology or ready to experience it for yourself, I'd love to support you. You can find out more about my sessions, workshops, and wellness offerings in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need a little healing today. Thank you for watching, and remember that your body has all the answers, and kinesiology is a wonderful tool to help you determine that. And I love to finish all my videos with happiness starts with a smile and empowerment starts with a choice.